Now we were talking about the language. You said this is a visual language. You see it instead of hearing the language. So the face is the most important thing that you see, rather than the hands that you think, this is a language about you just play with your hands, you flip your hands up. No, 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 no. That language is, as I was saying, it's not about playing up and down with your hands. It's about the whole body speaking to the person, starting from the face. We said the eyes, the mouth, the lines that you form here, and the shape of the mouth. So I think most of us use that when we use the WhatsApp, social media. That's where we do this. So this is the sign for happy. Unknowingly, you are using sign language, happy. Then when the person is sad, the mouth turns this way, then it's now sad. So the face does the talking when you are in sign language. So we have to panel beat your face a little bit in this course and do facial. And then you will be able to speak using your face. That's the first thing. Then when we get to facial expressions, you need to know what meaning do I convey with this facial expression. So you need to know how to use your eyes when you are looking at someone. You know, in some other cultures, Modesta esindebeleni, I think the Shonen is still the same, where you do this, then you in sign language now you have to use the eyes. You have to change the culture. You see now where you need to learn the culture. If you go to study sign language with the Shona culture and the Ndebele culture and other cultures, then your face is looking down. You are showing respect. Actually, you are showing disrespect to the people. They won't accept you. So this is what we do in our courses. Focus on the face. We look at the eyes. We look at the mouth. We look at everything, the face, and then you'll be able to talk. The eyes are very, very important. You are talking with your eyes, or should I say talking eyes. There are people who use their eyes to talk, and so you would have to learn that in this course. Facial expression, that's the best way of using language. You can express fear, anger, sadness, happiness, just using your face. Forget about the hands at this moment and use your face. Just imagine if I were to cut your head and it will be the only head. Will you be able to convey a message? Will you be able to talk to the deaf people? That is what you will learn when you are doing this course. Those are the different expressions that you can do using your face. You will have to be able to trick your face up and down. The mouth. Now we come to your messages, the phone messages, the WhatsApp messages. This is happy. So when you say, I'm happy, or I'm sad. Straight mouth like this is someone who doesn't know what's happening. So we'd have to do that. The lips, the way you do your lips. So that is what we are used to do. So this is what we do in the first aspect of the course. We say it in sign language, you use your body. Let's start with the face. Now, let's move on to the second aspect of the language, body. Now we're moving away from the face. Now we are coming to the body. Remember, it's not the hands. Most people rush to do the hands when they do sign language, A, B, C, D. This will teach you last because that is not sign language. Sign language is using your whole body. Now, communication is 93% non-verbal communication. Only 7% is the voice, but we do it the other way around. We specialize on the voice and forget about it. We focus on the 93%. Of the 93, 55% is the body. Then 38% is the tonality that you use. So you see that it's important that you use your body. We teach you that to speak. We talked about the eye contact. It's a visual language. You cannot look away, you cannot look down. Look at this. What are you reading into this expression? Already the girl is guilty if you were to do the judging. Maybe she came home late. Where were you? By looking down, she has conveyed a message. Now, what about these body languages? What do they tell you about? Let's look at that man who is there. By the corner there, when he's like that, you come to the manager's office and you want to get your pay and you find the manager like that. Do you think you're going to get a pay? Already, he's using his body to convey. What about this one who is in center? You look at him, it's like that. He's talking about, then you know that this person knows what he's talking about. What about the other one? All these body languages, they say something before even the person speaks. So that is sign language. That is what we focus on. Now, can you read something into these languages? Center one, when you're putting your hands in your pocket, that's why they said, hey, keep this comment winner. Don't put your hands in your pocket. Already you're showing disrespect to the teacher. Imagine you're in a police station, then you put your hands in your pocket. What are you saying to the police? So you use our body to speak. Now, we will need to do some practice. Unfortunately, I can't see who is there. We need to do a little bit practice session. That is the type of body language that we use. When you talk, you use your body. So we wanted to introduce you to the face and the body. Now look at that. Already you can read into that. You can write a composition or a story. What about these postures? When you go for an interview or you find someone who is sitting like that, look at this one. You used to say Zvaka presa. You folded legs, face closed. What about this one? Overconfidence, isn't it? So the way you sit also shows something. Now you're trying to teach the little one, then it gives you this face. What would you say? Already is speaking volume. So in this section, what we wanted to say is in sign language, it's not only the hands that do the talking, it's actually the face and the body. So we will teach you how to use your body to sign. So I want to take out this from your mind that sign language is very difficult. We do it every day when we are messaging. We do it every day when we are talking. And then we do it every day when we are looking at people. So this is what we are going to teach you in this course, the basics of sign language.